Welcome, in front of me I have Realme C3 and today I'll show you how you can add another account to Google Play Store. So first you have to go for the Play Store, then simply tap right here, click to add another account, select Google. Of course we have to use our protection method, in my case it will be fingerprint sensor. And now simply input the email that you want to sync in. Click next, and right now you have to simply input your password. When you input your password you have to click next, then accept this stuff, the term of the service and other things. Click save, and then you can simply just add a second account. And when you enter for the Play Store another time, because you can see it was just turned off, here we can simply change the accounts. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.